1.
Download Pixified Tips template.
Find that in the description.
Texture. Export all. Replace background with your images. Re-import. Warehouse. Select front DST. Export. Replace with your images. Rotate images 180 degrees. Re-import your images. Repeat for the back half too.
2.
Material definition. Edit items. Isolate light. Overlay 1 contains front image. Overlay 2 controls back image. Scroll speed. Value 1 is right to left. Higher numbers go right. Value 2 is up and down. Higher numbers go down. UV scale makes the image bigger or smaller on the screen. Play with it. If you change the numbers, repeat the process for all material definitions. Done.
Or bonus!
For multiple animated wallpapers, save the Pixified template in your Documents Sims 4 Studio Mods folder. In Sims 4 Studio, Standalone, Build, Content, Custom. Then repeat the former. Done! Something lads. Am I right? No? Okay.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.